How are you? Here Shilpi Sani from Suraj School Bhiwadi PGT English. Today we'll start our next lesson, that is lesson 4 from your book Honeycomb, and this is the ashes that made tree blooms. The ashes that made trees bloom. This is a story about an honest and hardworking old couple and their pet dog. Okay, this is the story of an honest and hardworking old couple and their pet dog. The neighbors are troublesome and the dog dies a sad death. The spirit of the dog gives solace and supports to his master in unexpected ways. Here we'll see the story of an honest and hardworking old couple with their pet dog. Okay, class, and their the neighbors were not good, and they just killed. They just means killed the dog due to their greedy nature. You can say, okay, but after his death the dog has given a kind of ashes. Okay, with the help of that ashes means rock. Okay, with the help of that ashes they got the honest couple got the trees bloom. Clear? We will read about this in this lesson. We will go through the summary of this lesson. This is the story The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom, written by William Elliot Giraffes. Clear? William Elliot Graves is based in Japan. It is about an honest. It is an honest. Must be here an honest. Wait. Here it will be an honest. Okay. An honest and a hardworking couple who live with their pet dog. Okay, it is about an honest and hardworking couple, and they had a pet dog, and the name of the dog was Muko. The greedy and cruel nature of their neighbors results in death of the dog. They It was a greedy nature of their neighbors, and they what did they do? They just killed that dog. However, the master receives supports and solace in many different unexpected ways from the dog's spirit. Okay, after dying, the dog has given a lots of, you can say, things, unexpected ways. He helps the unexpected ways. कई तरीके से मदद करता है जिसकी उसे उम्मीद नहीं थी. This story explains that people are known by their deeds. This is, you can say, the lesson from this story. Okay, the story explains that people are known by their deeds they perform, just like a tree which is known by its fruits and leaves. Tree is known by its fruits and leaves. It shows that if people are kind to other people and animals, they tend to be happy. Okay, it shows that if people are kind to other people and animals, they tend to be happy. If they are ready and cruel, they will be unhappy and sad. If they are ready and cruel, okay, if they are greedy and cruel, they will be unhappy and sad. The story also had hints of this. Clear? Now I'm going to just tell you in short the summary. This, you can see the introductory part of the story. Clear? Now the story will start from here. Once there lived an old couple. They had a pet dog. Okay, there was an old couple and they had a pet dog. They had no child. Okay, they had no child, and they loved the dog as if it were a baby. They loved the dog like their own baby. Okay, and the dog was called Muko, and they named the dog Muko. The kind couple fed the dog with their own forks. Okay, with their own forks, with their own spoon, they just fed the dog. अपनी ही चम्मच से उसे खिलाते थे like their own baby. In return, dog also loved them much. Okay, dog also loved them much. You can see that there is the feelings in animals also. As the feeling there is the feelings in human being, in the same way animals also. If you love the animals, animal will give you love in return. The old man was a farmer. Every morning Muko followed to his fields. Okay, and as you know that old man was a farmer, Okay, and Muko also followed him to his field. He also went with him into the field. Okay, and Heron walked in the footsteps of the old man to pick up worms. Like his master, the dog also never harmed the birds. Okay, and what did you see here? There was some heron kind of bird. Okay, walked. It also walked in the footstep of the old man. सॉरी, जब ओल्ड मैन चलता था तो उसके फुट स्टेप में जो निशान पड़ते थे वहां पर वो जो है जो बर्ड थी वो वहां पर आती और उसमें से वॉर्म्स कीड़े निकाल के वो अपना खाना खाती और उसका मास्टर उन बर्ड्स को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करता, उनको हार्म नहीं करता. इन द सेम वे डॉग ऑल्सो नेवर हार्म दैट बर्ड. One day, what happened? The dog put his paws against the old man's legs. Okay, there was something strange actually. What happened? जो डॉग था वो ओल्ड मैन के पैरों के बीच में से आता है. ही मोशनड हिम हिज हेड टू सम स्पॉट बिहाइंड. और उसे कहता है पीछे चलो कोई जगह है वहां देखते हैं. टू प्लीज हिज पेट द ओल्ड मैन फॉलोड हिम. Okay, as the pet always means followed the old man. Okay, here now, in order to please मैंने खुश करना. In order to please his pet, the old man also followed him. At a little distance from these, the dog stopped. डॉग जो है वहां पे रुक जाता है. इट स्टार्टेड स्क्रैचिंग द ग्राउंड. ओके, और वहां पे जब कुछ दूरी पे जाके वो रुकता है तो स्टार्टेड स्क्रैचिंग, खुरदने लगता है कुछ. To help his pet, the old man struck his hoe in the earth. Now there was a pile of gold before them, and the old man also helped him. Okay, for scratching and for removing all the means you can say the soil like mud like area. सारा जो मड या फिर सोइल मिट्टी जो भी थी वहां से वो हटाता है और वहां से उनको पाइल ऑफ गोल्ड मिलता है, यानी कि गोल्ड का ढेर, सोने का ढेर मिलता है. So the old couple became rich. They gave a feast to their friends and helped their poor neighbors. In the same village, there lived a wicked old man and his wife. They brought the dog into their garden. They set before him good food, but the dog was afraid. He neither ate nor moved. What happened when the honest couple became rich? They started just to give the feast means party like खाने का जहाँ पे सिस्टम होता है. Okay, to their friends, and even they helped their poor neighbors. Okay, in the same village, उसी village में एक ऐसा भी wicked इंसान रहता था जिसने क्या किया था. ओल्ड मैन था जिसने जो है अपनी वाइफ के साथ रहता था, जिसने क्या किया, ही ब्रॉड द डॉग इन टू देयर गार्डन. Okay, he also wanted to be rich like that honest man. What did he do? He brought the dog into his garden. Okay, and he just gave a delicious food, but the dog did not just eat food because he was not interested. Okay, even he did not move. Okay, because he was afraid also. They dragged the dog out of the doors. They worked with him. And in order to get the gold from the garden, from their field, they dragged the dog out of the door. Drag माने खींचा. उन्होंने जबरदस्ती उसको खींचा. They worked with him और उसके साथ वो चल के गए. When they reached a pine tree, जब वो pine tree के पास पहुंचे, the dog began to scratch the ground. और पाइन ट्री के पास क्या हुआ, डॉग जो है ना ग्राउंड के पास से कुछ स्क्रैच करने लगा, खोदने लगा. द विकेड कपल वॉज डिलाइटेड एंड दे बिकेम हैप्पी. डिलाइटेड मीन्स हैप्पी, वो खुश हो जाते हैं. बोथ ऑफ देम डग द ग्राउंड. दे थॉट दैट दे वुड गेट सम गोल्ड एंड दे स्टार्टेड टू डग. डग मीन्स खोदना, डिग डग डग. what they got was a dead kitten, and they found there a dead kitten. Dead kitten means cat, means baby cat. Okay, kitten means baby cat. The couple was very angry. They killed the dog and they just flung him into the hole they had dug. They heaped the earth over his carcasses. अब क्या होता है कि what did they do? They became angry that we got that dead kitten. Okay, and then what did they do? They just killed the dog. Okay, and then what happened? They flung him into the hole. Flung मैंने फेंक दिया उस hole में. And had dug, जो कि उन्होंने दे हैड डग, जो कि उन्होंने खोदा था उसी में उसको डाल दिया. दे हैव्ड द अर्थ ओवर हिज केयरकेस, और उसने उस अर्थ को, उस केयरकेस मीन्स डेड बॉडी ऑफ द एनिमल, हियर द डेड बॉडी ऑफ द डॉग. ओके, कैरकेस मीन्स मृत शरीर जानवरों का, तो वो जो है उसमें वहां डाल करके उसको फिल्ड कर देते। दे हैप्ड द अर्थ ओवर हिज कैरकेसेस। क्लियर? The incident of the dog's death reached the ears of its owner. इंसिडेंट जो थी डॉग की डेथ की उसके ओनर तक पहुंची। ही फेल्ट सो सैड एज इफ ही हैड लॉस्ट हिज ओन सन because they loved the dog like his own son, and now they are not happy because they have lost the dog and they love the dog like their own son. बहुत प्यार करते थे वो, तो उसकी तरह उसे खो देते हैं तो उसे बहुत दुख होता है। He went to the place where his pet had been buried. Buried मैंने दफनाया हुआ था, जहां पर उसके पेट को दफनाया गया था वो वहां जाते हैं। He mourned for a long time. Mourn means रोना, विलाप करना, दुख प्रकट करना। ओके और वो काफी लंबे समय तक परेशान होते हैं। He called him many dear names as if he were alive, and they were pretending that means he was alive, and they were calling with their names, स्पेशली द फार्मर। फार्मर जो है उसको उसके नेम से बुलाता है जैसे वो अलाइव हो। दैट नाइट ही सा डॉग his dog in his dreams. The dog asked him to cut the pine tree and make from it a mortar. He also asked him to make from that wood a mill. Okay, and what happened? The dog came into the dream and said, मरने के बाद डॉग जो है उस फार्मर के सपने में आता है और कहता है कि तुम उस पाइन ट्री को काटो और उससे एक मोटर बनाओ, और ये भी कहता है कि तुम उससे एक वुड की मिल बनाओ। ठीक है, वो सजेस्ट करता है। द ओल्ड मैन डिड एज ही वॉज टोल्ड। विद मच लेबर ही मेड अ स्मॉल बाउल ऑफ वुड। वो जो है एक मोटर, एक बाउल बनाता है वुड की, जैसा उसे कहा जाता है। देन ही मेड अ लॉन्ग हैंडल्ड हामर ऑफ वुड, और फिर एक लॉन्ग हैंडल्ड हामर बनाता है। हामर में हथौड़ा बनाता है। When the new year drew near, he decided to make rice pastry, and they put the boiled rice into the wooden mortar. और उस लकड़ी का जो बाउल बनाया था, मोर्टार जो था, उसके अंदर उसने राइस रखा, क्योंकि उसने प्लान किया था न्यू ईयर पे वो कुछ ऐसा करेगा। तो उसने पेस्ट्री बनाने की सोची थी राइस की। तो द ओल्ड मैन यूज द वुडन हैमर टू पाउंड द मैस इनटू डव। और वो जो उसने जो भी उसमें बॉईल करने के लिए डाला था राइस वगैरह, फिर उसको जो है डव में, आटे के रूप में उसको कन्वर्ट कर दिया गूंद के। When the pastry was ready for baking, it turned into a mass of gold coins. जब वो बनने के लिए तैयार थी वो गोल्ड की coins में convert हो गई। The old woman took the hand mill and filling it with bean sauce began to grind. The gold dropped like rain. At this moment, the evening neighbors peeped into the window. He decided to borrow the mill. फिर उसके बाद क्या होता है? The old man जो था वो ओल्ड वुमेन हैंड मिल लेती है और उसको फिल करती है, और उसके साथ वो कुछ पीसने लग जाती है, ग्राइंड करने लग जाती है जो हामर बनाया था उससे। ठीक है, और जो गोल्ड, फिर इससे क्या होता है कि रेन शुरू हो जाती है, जैसे कोई गोल्ड की बारिश हो रही हो। और इसी समय वो जो नेबर था वो बाहर से झांक रहा होता है और वो डिसाइड करता है कि वो ये मिल इससे ले लेगा। द ओल्ड कपल रेडली गेव देयर मिल टू द नेबर। और ओल्ड कपल ने अपना सामान जो बनाया था वो उसको देने के लिए सोच लिया। द मैन बिगेन टू पाउंड द राइस एंड वुमेन बिगेन टू ग्राइंड। आदमी ने उस राइस को जो है बॉईल करना और उसका डव बनाना शुरू करने का काम कर दिया, और जो वुमेन थी वो ग्राइंड करना शुरू कर देती है। हाउएवर दिस टाइम द पेस्ट्री एंड सॉस टर्न्ड इनटू वॉर्म्स। ओके, अब इस बार क्या होता है, ये सारी चीजें ना, सॉस और पेस्ट्री जो इन लोग बना रहे थे, सॉस की तैयारी ये वोमेन कर रही थी, उसको ग्राइंड करके कीड़ों में, वॉर्म्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है। दे ब्रोक द मिल इनटू पीसेस एंड यूज इट एज फायरवुड। ओके, और उन्होंने क्या किया, इसको पीसेस में कर दिया और इसको जला दिया। This is the summary of first part class. In our live class we will go through the text. For that you will have to just listen it very carefully. Just go through this video. Summary has been explained, and the means you can say the theme of this lesson has been explained to you. Now in our online class we will go through the text. Okay, and your homework is only to write the summary today of these taught portion. Okay, and try to do summary yourself class. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. If problem